This dropshipping course in analysis and advanced strategies is designed to teach individuals how to start and run a successful dropshipping business. The course covers a range of topics, including product selection, supplier sourcing, website setup, marketing, and customer service. Through a combination of exercises, real-life cases, and examples of specific platforms, participants can gain the practical skills and knowledge needed to succeed in the competitive world of dropshipping. The course may also provide access to a network of peers, mentors, and industry experts, as well as relevant tools and platforms to help you manage and grow your business. Ultimately, this dropshipping course can provide individuals with the knowledge, skills, and confidence needed to turn the dropshipping dreams into a profitable reality. The second part of the course, we will explore the integration of artificial intelligence in dropshipping, which has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping how businesses operate. Dropshipping, a popular business model where retailers sell products without holding inventory, is no exception in how AI can actually impact. By harnessing the power of driven platforms, dropshipping businesses can revolutionize various aspects of their operations, from product selection and inventory management to pricing optimization, customer engagement, and support. This comprehensive guide dives deep into 10 specific AI platforms, offering intricate strategies, detailed tactics, and comprehensive analysis to illuminate how AI can effectively harness to elevate dropshipping endeavors to new heights.